Movement Academy presents Flow Jam 3.0. And we are starting competition with Fresh Blood Group A. We have some known faces and names in this group, and few of the athletes are competing for the first time. Athletes will attempt to complete the course in the fastest time possible by keeping the red flag on their right side and yellow flag on their left side. Welcome to our commentators Chetan Desai and Cyrus Khan from Mumbai, along with our head judges Usman Khan and Manmohan Verma.
Oh shit!
First athlete.
All right. Aryan is going.
Okay. Yes. Smooth movement, interesting choices, using steps.
Big flag.
Okay.
That's good. Good strength. बहुत बढ़िया. Good exit touch. Very
All
nice.
right, not bad. So Aryan Verma, athlete we're seeing for the first time from Flow United. Really good to see new people around.
Jayant has got that athlete built already. Excited to see what he has got.
They're always just happy to go for it. Okay. Nice. Smooth choices. Use the bar nicely to pull. Good pop up.
It's very nice.
Good drop down. Clean. Yeah, definitely used a lot of the right moves and choices that one would make in terms of the line.
That's a good combination of strength and speed.
In the commentary box, we have Usman Khan. Yes, oops, sorry. Usman Khan, one of the founders of Primate Movement, legend in Pune. He's going to be our judge for the style comp. So we're going to catch him, but feel
Very
free
excited.
to
Very
drop
excited
in
to
your
see.
commentary for the speed.
Very nice. We need raise.
Honestly, this coffee service is good, yeah, I can't blame.
Very nice service. Love this.
Yes. All right.
Let's go. Wow.
Nice.
बहुत ही stylish move करते हैं. Strength as well. क्या बात है. A huge drop. Down. Very nice and touch. क्या बात है.
Nice.
I think speed comp में using right obstacle is very feasible. अगर आपको पता है कि आप कहाँ पे कौन सा obstacle use कर रहे हो तो you can turn the table like with a snap.
Yeah. It's also interesting to see who uses what kind of technique based on their type of training
Exactly.
and what they do.
Makes sense.
It's something that you'll see people can be equally fast with completely different techniques also.
Yes.
So it's going to be interesting to see what choices people make and what ends up being the fastest line.
Exactly.
So far, all the athletes have used only the vaults, but I'm looking forward to see them using some underbars and things as well.
There
we
you
go.
go.
Oh, look at the time
Nailed
on
it
that.
and that's there. Oh.
Good choices. Ooh, slightly low on the
That was
jump,
good save.
which means he has to climb up, but good
Made it
recovery.
safely. Very nice. No problem. Climb down. Yes, down and touch.
Alright, good attempt from Zishan.
Yes.
First competition, so the nerves can sometimes
Nervousness.
get you. And this is where the course practice has a huge effect. But really nice to see Flow United coaches
Yes,
coming and
actually,
showing up.
actually.
Okay, we have Kapil.
Amazing. Whoa, another underbar.
Clean.
Nice. There's the 316. Whoa, amazing dip. Drop.
We're seeing everybody in the fresh blood category have an interesting.
I feel they should have participated in pro.
No, I think once you see our pro lineup, you'll know why.
Namya Desai
Yes. Good
from
to
Mumbai Movement Academy.
Yes. Namya, interesting character, somebody who started as a student and someone who then started
Yes.
practicing on his own
Yes.
regularly,
Amazing,
coming for jams
actually.
every Sunday. Wanted to become coaches, but started as students and then took it up.
Bro is fast as. So damn, so clean. So
Interesting.
So
Saving.
prepared. Every move is so calculated.
Nice. That's
Wow.
a good set of choices.
Wow.
Didn't spend a lot of time in the transition.
Not at all.
Sped through it.
He knows what he was doing. He knows what moves to put it out there.
Yes.
So good. I've also noticed Nami is developing good strength as well, power as well, but he also has that particular technique to use himself. Shubham Sangle.
Nice underbar.
Clean underbar,
Step.
climb up, speed. That's good. Kya baat hai? Very nice. Huge drop.
Nice. I was waiting for someone to choose that. My sense is that is
Spider-Man
going
from
to
Team
be the faster choice in that
Yes,
final
yes.
section. The confusion here is if you remember this location and the type of finish changed at the last minute. So maybe people who practice their runs thinking that going down would be faster didn't register that when you need to reach the wall, it actually helps to just fly over and launch at it. That will
launch
save you
need.
like some fraction
Yes.
of a second. And speed parkour courses are all about those fractions of a second if you want to win.
Dev Goyal from Parkour Ahmedabad we have next. Already speeding up. Amazing. Dash roll. Choosing to climb up. Oh, clean
Yes.
combo.
Very clean ascent
Very
through
clean.
the section, small pause, landing,
Oh yes,
chose
that
the
was
jump.
good. Very efficient last move.
Unfortunately, not a very good, strong finish because I didn't again hear the final rule.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ है कोर्स में एकदम एंड मोमेंट में पहले यू जस्ट हैड टू रिलीज द बार एंड द टाइमर वुड हैव स्टॉप बट एक चेंज है जहाँ पे लास्ट में you'll have to touch the black wall to end the timer. Nervousness killing.
It is quite interesting choice.
Okay.
He likes swings and quite fast over here.
Huge drop. Going for hurdle. And
Nice.
There you go.
It could be one of the fastest lines, but very difficult to launch.
Yeah.
So launching straight from the top of the platform, landing not on the bottom
ledge.
of the next, but on the ledge and shooting an underbar to stride to finish.
Technical.
Straight, very technical,
Ashutosh going with presence of mind. बहुत ही clean.
smooth.
Kong up. Another Kong up. Oh! That was fast.
That was good. That was
Ashutosh body technically.
Yeah, he was very close to almost seeing a Kong to underbar even. You know? That was a really nice
I think
set of choices.
अगर आप वहाँ पे कॉन्ग कर रहे हो और अगर आप वहाँ से कॉन्ग को अंडर बार कर रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं आपका स्पीड स्लो हो सकता है बट वो स्लो स्पीड आपको आगे पुश करने में भी हेल्प कर सकता है.
Alright, we have Kedar
Yeah,
now.
Kedar.
Lots of people disputing Kedar being put in this category.
Let's
after,
go. Even
What,
I'm-
three
even I am
podium
amazed.
finishes at
Even
Skill
I'm
City.
amazed
But
Kedar
I think
को
this
fresh blood
is
में
his
देखते हुए.
first speed competition
Yes,
technically, so
that
he
makes
is
sense.
allowed for
Completely
once,
makes sense.
not again.
Completely makes sense. I mean, an
Chai has
athlete-
reached the judges.
Athletes like Kedar should participate in pro and actually go on podium. Unexpected.
But remember, sometimes high pressure can also have a strong effect on results. So,
Absolutely.
um,
Huge respect for him to taking it easy on this competition. But he is very happy to see Flow Jam excelling so quick. It's 3.0 already.
आज का लास्ट पार्टिसिपेंट
And it's all about taking that authentic message of parkour ahead, going from point A to point B as efficient as possible.
And we have our last participant for Group A.
Take up out, काफी fast start करते हुए.
केदार
Underpass, काफी
Wow.
deep. Safe to goal.
बहुत ही स्पीड, बहुत ही फास्ट, बहुत ही टेक्निकली वेल इक्विप्ड विथ मूव्स. नीचे से जाके टच करके टाइम से मार.
Good adaptation. I'm not sure exactly what his planned sequence was, but I think he reacted really quickly to what he did.
The moves here he has used completely improv लग रहे थे, but at the same time they were fast as well.
Really nice.
After completion of Fresh Blood Group A, our points table is looking something like this, with top performance from Kedar Raul, Shubham Sangle, Ashutosh Mishra, Namya Desai, and Ashish Pawar.
Group B.
Fantastic.
So happy to see so many participants participating.
Yes,
in
particularly
speed
in
competition.
a category like
2.0, yeah.
Fresh Blood. I think has been a great idea, like an amateur category, to introduce, because I think a lot of these people would otherwise feel a little intimidated to battle it out with the
But have
pros.
been Siddharth.
All right, we're already off with Group B. We have Coach Rohan from Parkour in the bath. Again, a new
Amazing.
coach. Ooh, first person who takes the line from under the bar. Small delay, but everything else. Ooh, what a nice roll
That was a
out.
good change.
Yeah. Good Ukemi representing Parkour
That fall
principal.
actually helped him get out of the course and as the end point.
Almost didn't reduce the time. Bro.
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
yeah. The audience is hyped.
Hey, that's what local home team at
Yes,
office looks
sir.
like.
There he goes. There he goes.
Swing little.
Oh,
Looks very nice.
कोशिश, लेकिन वो medium.
very fast.
Okay.
Obstacle में ऊपर. That is wrong way.
Ooh, oh, yeah.
Amazing.
Climbs, finishes the climb up.
Amazing.
मेहनत करते हुए दीपक.
Wow. He just said
Nice.
Kya
Good to see most people, you know, even if they don't belt it on the speed course, they're respecting the course and doing it nicely. I think that's an important thing in parkour, that in that pursuit of speed, you don't drop your safety or your technique. And good on these guys to just try their best on the course.
The athletes competing in parkour events back to back without any break.
Ooh.
New tech, sir.
Yeah, interesting, almost equestrian type technique.
Safety world.
क्या बात है?
Good set of steps, stumble at the end, but managed to get his hand on the finishing. I don't think he's gonna make the same mistake again. Nagpur today, Hyderabad, Mumbai, of course. Anywhere else that we know, and Gujarat.
Gujarat, yes. It's Gaurav Parikh.
Nice,
Absolutely amazing tech.
nice little step safety.
That drop felt heavy, but still going on. Amazing.
Still,
Amazing. Very quick, very quick.
clean movement all the way through.
Next player. Akash Pawar. Brother of Ashish Pawar.
Okay.
Representing Fierce Monkey.
Akash Pawar from Fierce Monkey from Hyderabad.
Yes.
Akash Pawar आपके पास 30 seconds है. आप 30 seconds दे सकते हो.
Love how they've planned a 30-second breathing space for athletes before they perform.
30-second breathing space for us.
We need 30-second breathing space after every sip of coffee.
But interesting to see so far that there have been a wide variety of people
Yes.
taking a wide variety of choices. Ashish taking double
Akash.
vault route, Akash taking the double vault route.
Conga, another conga. There's a huge gap
Nice.
right there. Good drop. बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही तेजी से.
Nice bouncy stable technique. Seemed in control the
Very
whole
clean.
way through.
Very clean.
Yeah. Most importantly, you see at the end, he had a smile on his face, you know? Yeah. At the start and at the finish. Okay, he started.
थोड़ा स्टम्बल होके फिर से स्टेबल होते हुए. बहुत ही खूब. यहाँ से बहुत, क्या बात है.
Oh, dive Kong over the rail. Another new one. Nice. Just good to see. Love the smile on his face at the end. That's what matters, you know.
I actually remember one incident that happened with me back in Chaos Factory when I was participating in Speedcom. I had to do a big, I had planned to do a big dive Kong in between the course. And जब मैं पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट करके उस पॉइंट तक पहुंचा डाइव करने के लिए, I just stood there and मैं फ्रीज हो गया वहाँ पे. I was like मैं करूँ या नहीं करूँ. Then I was like मुझे हिट हुआ कि ओ ये तो स्पीड कॉम है यार, रुकना नहीं होता. That is when I took one step back and then just sent it.
Oh, wow.
Just sent it. You know, taking a dive in a speed comp is actually a very big toll because you have to take that risk. 3 seconds toll. Yeah.
All right, we have another guest in the booth with us, and this is a special guest. We have none other Deepak Mali.
Was I?
All right, we have Ismail from Flow United using good fast steps.
क्या बात? बहुत ही बढ़िया. So new take.
Interesting.
बहुत ही cool.
All right, lovely attempt. Again, first time we're seeing this participant.
Flow
Ismail.
United.
Really good to see. With us, we have Deepak Mali, founder of Team Mayo, godfather of Pune Parkour.
Pune Parkour.
Yes. Private movement.
Private
Our first
movement.
participant from Private Movement.
Local blood
Yes.
in fresh blood.
Usman, ready? Okay.
क्या बात है?
Ooh. Nice.
Oh,
Very nice.
बहुत fast है.
Wow, love the swing.
Wow, love the tech. Drop. Up.
Nice.
Wow,
Ooh, told you somebody would take the underbar. Nice.
that was amazing.
Oh.
That was fast. काफी fast. बहुत ही
First person, yes, who conged up to the platform instead of dropping over, went straight for the underbar through. Whether it was the fastest, I think we'll see, but at least an interesting, different choice.
Next
Who do we have next? We have Daneshwar.
Daneshwar Dahiwa.
बढ़िया. Let's go.
that, we completed our Fresh Blood Group B runs. And here is Fresh Blood Group B points table with top performance from Gnaneshwar Bhiwal, Vedant Vidwai and Avesh Vaswani. And here is the list of participants who are qualified for the final round of Fresh Blood Speed Run.